In today's job market, building AI agents is a crucial skill, and there's a wide range of tools available to help you get started. Tools like LangChain, LangGraph are popular choices for developing AI agents with ease, allowing developers to integrate complex functionalities quickly. And when it comes to the cloud, Google Vertex AI Agent Builder, Azure AI Foundry, and AWS Bedrock all offer powerful platforms for creating AI agents that work seamlessly with your data. With AWS Bedrock, you can create highly personalized AI applications, integrate multiple AI models, and ensure that your apps are both responsive and efficient. It's a game changer for anyone working with generative AI. And if you are aiming to pass your AWS AIML certification exams and secure top AI roles, mastering AWS Bedrock is key. So in this video, we will show you how mastering AWS Bedrock can boost both your AI certification exam success and career growth by enabling you to create secure, responsible, and highly personalized AI applications. And this video is a part of our AI job-oriented training session from which many of our trainees have earned certifications and jobs like Shrija and Yover, SJ who also doubled her salary and many more. And if you want to transform your career similarly and land a high-paying job, make sure that you join our upcoming 90-minute free masterclass where our experts will take you through the proven 3-step framework that has helped these people land their dream job in AI/ML, Gen AI, Agentic AI, and data science. So you can register through the link right in the description below. So now, without further ado, let's get started.
Amazon Bedrock service. It is a completely managed service. Now, many of you have already have an experience on AWS platform, right? And some of you have even though you have little knowledge of AWS, you will understand the meaning of this fully managed. But still, I would like to give a quick information. A fully managed service, any service for that matter, not just Bedrock, is the service that is completely managed by AWS. That means that the underlying resources, okay, all the underlying virtual resources are hosted and managed by AWS. So you do not have to worry on the underlying resource, the VM or the storage or the memory or the processing power. You don't have to worry. That's taken care by AWS. So Bedrock provides you lots of foundation models from leading organizations. You have variety of foundation models being available and set of tools. So you can quickly build and scale the generative AI application. So Bedrock is a fully managed service which is used to build a generative AI application using foundation model. That is what a Bedrock service is used for. Now, the Bedrock service also helps us to ensure the privacy and security. The concerns that we discussed earlier, toxicity, plagiarism, or the fairness, right? Privacy and intellectual property, and what else? Yeah. So all that. So it helps us to ensure the privacy and security by using, we have an options available with Bedrock, which is known as guardrail. Okay, so that we can use. So you can choose from different FMs to find the model that is best suited for your use case. Bedrock offers you lots of foundation model. Also, serverless models are also there. Serverless experience. So you can quickly get started with your experiment using the foundation model. You can also privately customize the foundation model for your own data. That we keep discussing the same point, right? So you can customize. So gives you the ability to customize foundation model with your own data. And you can integrate and deploy them into your application using AWS tools and capabilities. You can integrate, let's say I have fine-tuned a foundation model. Now I can integrate with my application by using AWS tools, AWS services, and I can start using it. Now we have got Bedrock Agent. We will discuss about the agent later in depth, but Bedrock Agent is also available. You can automate the complex business tasks and also the orchestration using a completely managed agent. Bedrock agent. Another thing, we have knowledge base. So with knowledge base for Amazon Bedrock, you can integrate company data. Okay, knowledge base for Bedrock, you can integrate your company data with the query. So the responses data plus query. Okay, this is your company data. So company data plus query. So the response from the foundation model are specific to your domain, specific to your organization. Okay, so all these are the different capabilities which are available in Bedrock. One by one, we are going to explore that. Yeah, also, as I said, I will be demonstrating this capability. Now, three key benefits of Bedrock: efficiently build with foundation model, securely build generative application, and deliver customized experiences using organization data. So these are the three key benefits of Bedrock. Let's understand one by one each of these. Efficiently building with foundation model. Now, by using foundation model in Bedrock, you can efficiently build and deploy AI solution. There are a lot of foundation models which are available. So if suppose you want to go ahead with any of that, you can just use the Bedrock service and you can build, you can deploy your AI solution, which is giving you the benefit of the flexibility of selecting the right model and the convenience of a single integration point and giving a fully managed experience. Okay, so these benefits are there if you are using the Bedrock service. Now, Bedrock gives you wide selection of FM. So choose from various FM to suit different use case and requirements. You can pick the most appropriate model for your specific need. You can test also. First, you can test it and then you can use it in your environment, real-time environment, like you can integrate with the application. So we have a playground also available in Bedrock. Okay, so Bedrock provides you high-performing foundation models from leading AI companies like AI 21 Labs. You have Cohere. You have got Stability AI. You have got Entropic, and yeah, from Amazon also you have. So multiple are there. Now, to access the foundation model, you can use an API. Just through a single API, you can access the foundation model. So instead of managing multiple integrations, you can access all the available foundation models which are available with your Bedrock service. You can access all the available foundation model through a unified Bedrock API. So your request, user request, will be handled by Bedrock API, and then internally it will communicate with the FMs. So it's a unified Bedrock API, simplifying the development process. Now, take advantage of the fully managed experience. So as I already mentioned, FMs based on Bedrock are completely managed by the Amazon Bedrock service. So that relieves you from the overhead of infrastructure provisioning, scaling, and maintenance. You don't have to host, you don't have to worry on the scaling part, you don't have to worry on the availability part, okay? Maintaining that, everything, scalability, availability, maintenance, hosting, taken care by Amazon. You are paying only for how long you are using it. You can just focus on building your application and that accelerate time to market. Second benefit of Bedrock is securely built Gen AI application. So there are lots of benefits of using the secure and comprehensive AI ML services available with AWS. And you know that AWS offers a broad categories of secure AI ML services. So lots of services are there. It has a big portfolio and all built on the secure AWS global infrastructure. Whether you manage the underlying resources or whether AWS manages the service like Bedrock fully managed. Ultimately, it is being deployed on AWS global infrastructure. And you know that the AWS takes security as highest priority. So it's the topmost priority of AWS security. Okay, so the global infrastructure is highly secure, and on that you have your AI ML services securing your Gen AI application. So that in turn secure your application. So this the global infrastructure provides a solid foundation for building and deploying your Gen AI application with trust and confidence. Building Build with comprehensive data protection and privacy. This ensure your data is protected with advanced security. It has got advanced encryption and access management. So data is protected, it is secure by using advanced security mechanisms, security control like encryption and also the access management, whom to provide access. This helps maintain the data privacy and comply with the regulations. Secure your generative AI application. As I said, the security is robust. It's implemented at the infra level itself. Apart from that, the foundation itself is very robust and secure. But apart from that, on top of this, we have the services, and using the services, AI ML services, we are building our application. We are integrating in our application, right? So securing your generative AI application, we can do that by using different options available with Bedrock. For example, model watermarking is there. Watermarking is there. We have content filtering. We have monitoring. We can monitor to mitigate risk associated with generative AI models. So this will help prevent misuse and help to maintain the trust. Also, as I said, we have guardrails. So access support for governance and auditability. With AWS services for artificial intelligence, AI governance we have, including model tracking, explainability, bias detection. So this provides a responsible AI development and deployment while meeting your compliance requirements. Responsible AI. You might have heard about this. We will discuss about this later in depth. Responsible AI. Responsible AI practices are there. We need to use the AI responsibly. Okay? So that the risk is mitigated, the concerns are addressed. We saw that the various concerns like plagiarism, toxicity, hallucination, those are the concerns that we can handle, we can manage, we can address with responsible AI practices. So, anyhow, we are going to discuss this in depth later. But the access support for governance and auditability ensure that the responsible AI is being used for development and deployment while meeting the compliance requirement. Next is deliver customer experience using organizations' data. Now with automated orchestration, you can use agents to handle integrate process and task within your organization by using the capabilities of Bedrock. So we have Bedrock agent, right? So automated orchestration and complex business tasks using the agents for Bedrock. So this streamlines operations and enhance the efficiency. Another point, you can supplement the you can supplement the foundation model with your organization's data that we keep discussing so far, right? By incorporating your specific knowledge base, or you can say your proprietary knowledge, into the Bedrock to provide a more specific, accurate, and tailored responses. And this ensures responses are relevant and aligned with your requirement. Fine-tune FM using Bedrock. So you can further customize the language model to your specific domain by fine-tuning the foundation model using the Bedrock. That improves the model performance and accuracy for your use case. So these are all the benefits, all the capabilities of Bedrock. We will see one by one in the console. Now, by using these three capabilities, Bedrock empowers you to deliver highly personalized and optimized experience that uses your organization's proprietary data and knowledge, driving the operational excellence, enhancing the customer satisfaction, providing dealing with risk and risk mitigation, and applying guardrail. Okay, so all these are the different capabilities of Bedrock.
So now that you have seen how mastering AWS Bedrock can help you ace your exams and elevate your AI career, it's time to put this knowledge into action. So start experimenting with Bedrock and explore its powerful capabilities. And if you found this video helpful, definitely join our free masterclass that I mentioned earlier, where you can learn how to land a high-paying job in AI/ML, Gen AI, Agentic AI, or data science. The link is in the description below. Also, make sure that you check out our previous videos right over here.